Today we're diving into DeepResearch. This is a phenomenal tool. I cannot wait to show you all about DeepResearch. It has completely changed the game for local government. Here we go. Now, I love having preset templates for these new AI tools. And basically, if you want to see how to do that yourself, here's the video I posted. And I'll post a link in the description as well for you to go ahead and take a look at that. It has completely changed how I'm using AI right now by having Chat GPT basically write the prompts for me. It's awesome. So it's going to go through and it's going to build this entire prompt for us. And it's going to give us a really comprehensive prompt that I think will help us unlock the full potential of ChatGPT DeepResearch. I've used the same thing on other AI tools too, notably ChatGPT Operator, and it completely changed the game on how I was using Operator. And it's done the same thing for me. Took that same idea, applied it here to DeepResearch, and this has just unlocked endless insights by having ChatGPT write the prompts for me. So after this whole thing is done, what we're going to do then is we're simply going to copy this whole thing in here and we're going to paste it into DeepResearch. So one of the things too I should mention is for this particular chat that we're having right here, for this chat or this template that I created for DeepResearch prompts, I'm using the 4.0 version of ChatGPT. I don't know if one would be better or worse at all, but for this one, I kind of want speed and comprehension. I don't necessarily need deeper reasoning to create prompts, at least not for this example. And so that's why I'm using the 4.0 model instead. So I'll just scroll all the way to the top here, and we're going to grab this entire thing. Again, I'm just going to copy this entire thing right here, copy, and then start a new chat, and we're going to paste that whole entire thing in there. And it's a big prompt, I know that, but it works really well. In this one for DeepResearch, I like going with the deeper reasoning model, so I'm using the O1 model for this conversation. I just find it to be a little bit better for me in terms of what I like to get out of this thing. So it's going to go through, and a lot of times what you'll see when you first have a prompt into DeepResearch, sometimes they ask a couple of clarifying questions, like, should the research prioritize large or small municipalities? Should we look at federal and state influence or things like that? And so I'm going to copy this. I'll try to get messed up there. I'll try again here, copy this, paste it in there. And for the first one, let's say, I want to focus on more of the smaller counties and municipalities. My thought process is it's the smaller cities and counties. And I say smaller, really just anything under 100,000 people, I think. It's the smaller ones or the mid-sized ones that really have the most to gain in terms of efficiency gains and things like that, and the exponential impact that AI and ChatGPT can have on that. So those ones are most to gain. So I'm really curious about that. And on this one, we're saying, okay, I don't want to focus on state or federal AI related mandates. This prompt is really focused on AI policies in local government. That's what I want to find out about. And so the last one too, in terms of effectiveness or things like that, because I wanted to figure out, are these AI tools effective? Or these AI policies effective? Are they doing anything? Are they symbolic? Comparing with the existing landscape or the existing structure of governance in that city, if they have a computer use policy or any kind of data governance policy, where does AI fit in there? And so it's going to go through and it's going to create an in-depth analysis of AI policies adopted by cities and counties in the U.S., particularly focusing on smaller municipalities and counties. Now, the one thing I should say with this is this DeepResearch thing takes a long time. I've sped up the video for your sake. It takes a long time, so get comfortable. Maybe vacuum a floor. Maybe read a book. Whatever it is, go ahead and get comfortable and just know that you might be waiting around for a while for this thing to work. But it is well worth it. I've got so many insights from this thing. It is incredible. It's insane. It's one of my new favorite tools right now because I love learning. I love learning new things. And so here it is, and you can see how comprehensive this tool is. It is absolutely insane. It is incredible. That is DeepResearch. Go ahead and play with it. Go ahead and take a look. I just think there's so many avenues of insights for local government and researching things and finding more about a particular topic. You name the topic, it can find out about it, and it is incredible.